Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster here. Today, we're going to be doing an install on this 2020 Mercedes Sprinter. Sprint Booster is the world's first, original, and most advanced throttle body controller on the market. Sounds complicated? It's not. Throttle bodies used to be controlled by a cable. Nowadays, they're controlled by an electronic signal. Sprint Booster is simply a controller that allows you to take control of the signal that's sent out by this electronic throttle body. Most throttle bodies on today's market suffer from excessive lag, and there's a lot left on the table from the manufacturer. The Sprint Booster is the perfect device to get the one-to-one pedal ratio that you want. As always, the first step of installing the Sprint Booster is to open the vehicle's driver's side door, and you're going to take your key fob, walk about 20 feet away, leave it open for about 15 minutes. What this allows to do is it allows the vehicle's CAN bus system to reset and accept the Sprint Booster installation. The install on the Mercedes Sprinter is extremely easy. The throttle pedal is conveniently located in a very accessible spot in the footwell. All you have to do is reach in and pull the tab that's retaining the factory harness into the pedal itself. Don't forget, on the side of the Sprint Booster, there's a selector tab that allows you to select between manual and automatic transmission. In this instance, we of course have to select automatic. Step one is to pull the white tab that connects the factory harness to the pedal outwards. Next, all you have to do is pull out. With the harness disconnected, take the Sprint Booster unit itself and connect the white connector from the selector switch into the side of the Sprint Booster. With the selector switch now installed in the Sprint Booster, simply install the Sprint Booster in line between the pedal and the harness itself. When removing these clips, make sure to pull out on the white tab to remove them, and when reinstalling, be sure to press them back in. Now that the Sprint Booster is installed, let's have our driver test it out.
So I've driven a few of these vans actually. Our company owns a 2012 version of the Mercedes Sprinter and a 2007 version, both of which suffer from way too much lag in terms of throttle. Makes overtaking on the highway a nightmare. And even when you're trying to like hang a left on a major intersection and you know you kind of have to jet and the van is under load, it's terrible. You cannot expect any response from that throttle pedal, even though it's a diesel motor and by its own merit it has a ton of torque, but it's pretty bad. We're gonna go ahead and switch this into green 5. Let's see what this does. Okay, that's already a lot better. That's actually how it should drive from factory, really. Let's put this into red mode. Crank it up a little bit, see what she does. Oh, that's pretty good. That's a lot of fun, actually. Oh man, I wonder how aggressive it gets. Oh yeah, that's how it should drive right there. There was no hesitation there. Pedal depression was like perfect, and it's not like choppy. You know, like I could put my foot down 50% of the way and then down 75 and then slowly back off to 25 and 25%, and it actually feels like the pedal's doing exactly what my foot is doing. Ooh.